Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is renewable energy, sources we can use without exhausting them. By the end of this video, you'll know which sources count, why they matter, and the trade-offs that come with each. Renewable energy resources are those that can be replenished naturally on a human timescale. Examples include solar, wind, hydroelectric, tidal, geothermal, biomass, and wave power. By contrast, non-renewable sources, coal, oil, gas, nuclear fuels, are finite. Three things. 1. Generally lower carbon dioxide emissions than fossil fuels. 2. Often intermittent. Wind doesn't always blow, sun doesn't always shine. 3. Different countries match resources to local conditions. Norway uses hydroelectric, Scotland and Denmark wind, Spain and California solar. Common slip saying renewables are free or have no impact. They have an impact. Wind turbines kill birds, hydroelectric dams flood land, solar farms occupy land. Cleaner than fossil fuels, but not zero impact. Quick example, the UK now gets around 30% of its electricity from wind. Hydroelectric power provided power for Scotland for over a century. Solar panels on a household roof can supply most of a home's needs much of the year. The mix is what makes the grid resilient. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic subject, one every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.